Pegging reports are used in both material requirements planning and the master production schedule. In manufacturing, a pegging report is a record that shows the relationship between demand and supply. Even more specifically, the pegging report will give a user the ability to trace requirements in the system. In other words, pegging finds and identifies an item's source requirements and any allocations that may be associated with it. Pegging reports, when generated, will show you the master production schedule orders that are in the system, the due date of the orders, and what the quantities for each order are. So, what would you use a pegging report for? Pegging reports can be useful for many different reasons. One reason might be if you have a change in schedule or some needed raw materials are running a bit late. Another reason you might look at a pegging report would be to see what your allocations are for certain components and make adjustments, or if your supply chain has been disrupted and things are running behind schedule. Pegging reports can trace your needs up from a child to a parent, so they can be very handy. You may be wondering, what's the difference between a pegging report and a where used report? The simple answer is that a where used list will show you every parent related to the child, even if the ones that have no demand. On the other hand, a pegging report will show you only the parents that currently have demand associated with them. One more thing, it's important that you don't confuse pegging reports with pegged requirements. While the concept is related to each other, one is a report while the other shows requirements. A pegged requirement shows the immediate next level parent item or order. In other words, the pegged requirement is where the source of demand comes from. And that's it, a pegging report.